This video is brought to you by Mitch Bradshaw Outdoors.
That's what you need. No, you gotta be erratic and crazy like a bait fish. You saw them swimming for their lives. Fish don't just let you eat them.
Oh my god, I saw him.
That was sweet.
That was super cool.
Little pompano.
Super quick.
Yeah, nailed it.
Little pompano again.
Same one. I like their flat heads. Like that.
Alright, I'm gonna lift them. A little bit, not much.
He nailed that thing.
Nope, he's on the outside of the mouth this time.
Then you want a picture with him?
I think one.
You look like a guy.
Grab his lip.
Here, re-grip. Oh, grip him like, there you go.
Ow. Looks like a pig.
Look like you enjoy it.
Instead of pain?
Come on, Garrett. Yeah, I had a bite. That's 10 more. Nope. This one's got 2 teeth up top. Ooh. A little snook? I don't know. Nope, no. What is that?
I'm not sure.
Well, I got it.
You got any teeth in him? It looks like it's. Oh, that's a bite it took a while ago.
Ready?
Might be a little snook. I don't know. Yeah. There you go, Gabby. Gabby, reel him in. Gavin, reel him in. Reel him. Is he on there? Alright, reel him up. Alright. Oh, we just popped off. A little trout. Good job. Good job. Let's go get another one. I'll cast it out. Put it back down there? Okay.
We got one, guys. What is it? A pufferfish.
See, it's puffing up.
It's a pufferfish, guys.
Oh, this one really puffed up.
We got a big pufferfish, a really puffy. Yeah, we both got puffy fish.
It'll explode.
No,
Look at how big he is.
you see, let's go.
No, don't let go.
You got left him.
Yeah. No. Alright, reel him in. Reel him in. No, it wasn't. Gavin! Gavin!
I think it's a no pufferfish.
No, it's a little... There you go. You're getting it. Gav, can you smile? Should we let him go, Gav? Watch him go.
Oh, just like Grandma's field.
Watch him swim away, okay? darts down there.
You got another pufferfish.
It is, huh?
Look how big he's getting now. Look how big he's getting now.
See you smile? Cheese. See him now? See him go?
Huh?
The puffer.
All right, Al.
Aren't they pretty?
I think it might go.
Should we let him go?
Yeah.
Alright, watch him swim away. Watch him swim away, you're the puffer man. Watch out. Alright, drop it.
Look at that tail.
It's a ladyfish. We caught one of these yesterday.
Oh, this is called Pufferfish. No, it's a ladyfish.
That's a pretty fish.
This is one of the ones we caught yesterday.
Yeah.
As soon as I hooked one of these yesterday, Mom, it jumped just 3 times straight out of the water.
Oh, yeah.
See him?
See the flashes? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
So cool.
Just a couple more, yeah?
I tossed him through there. Oh, good job.
Oh, it got off. Let's go.
I just got one.
Good job.
That's my
There's a little puffer fish.
There you go.
Yeah. So weird looking. Oh,
This is a nice pier.
it really is. Now let him go. Okay, touch him. He's a little spiny. Whoop. See? You're okay. Yeah. And he deflates it real quick.
I got mine.
Whoop.